Hey, what is up, guys? This is Raw Dog underscore 69 here. Just playing. It's Christian Kambizaka, and today here I'm going to show you a really interesting way in which you could factor out trinomials. So let's get started. For many of high schoolers, such as myself, factoring seems very overwhelming, but this new method that I was taught today at school, it really makes life simpler. It is known as the AC method, and one thing about it, it's very convenient. Now, the reason it's called the AC method is, well, you might as well guess. It's the combination of A and C. When written in simplest form, a trinomial is ax to the second power plus bx plus c. So in other words, just as AC is combined in the name, you combine A and C together. So in this case, what we do is we combine 7 to 20. And in other words, it would cancel out in a way plus 39x. What's 7 times 20? Plus 140. Now, before you guys exit the video saying, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing, combining the A and the C, like, where does A multiplying with C come in anywhere? It is a method, and I will show you that it works, so please just hold on to your hats. To get rid of our A term, in this case it was 7, we basically made A equal to 1. The 1 really doesn't affect the whole equation, but the 1 is there just to show. Now, when we have a trinomial like this, we know that when it's going to be factored, it's going to be x plus something times x plus something. And those somethings are going to be factors of 140. Now, when you find the factors of 140, it's already pre-prepared for you. You have to make sure that when you add 2 of these factors, it will equal to 39. So right from the bat, once I list out the factors here, and keep in mind that these are not all the factors, these are just some factors, I can already tell that 35 and 4 are perfect candidates to be the accompanying binomials of x. So I'm just going to write 35 and 4. So I could verify to see that I'm doing everything right, I'm just going to check my work real quick. So x and x, 35 and 4, that is 140. 35 and x would give me 35x, and 40x and 4 will give me 4x. So now, just to make all of this nice and organized, 35x plus 4x plus 140. When you combine this will turn into x to the second plus 35 and 4 equals 39. X plus 140. Hey, doesn't that look familiar to our original? Yeah, it does. Fantastic. So now that we know that our x plus 35 times x plus 4 works to equal this, we're going to put back our A term, in which we kind of put together with C. In other words, we're going to combine 7x plus 35 times 7x plus 4. Now, right off the bat, I know that this could be factorable. Why? Because the least common denominator of 7 and 35 would be 7. So in other words, this could also equal to 7 times x plus 5 over, x plus 5 times 7x plus 4. Continue off with the AC method. It states that once you have factored your binomials, it claims to divide everything by your A term. In this case, our A term is 7, and you can divide it by 7 and 7. This will cancel out, and your new answer of your trinomial being factored is x plus 5 times 7x plus 4. The reason I didn't factor out this is because 7x and 4 are in the most least common denominator they have, so this cannot be factored. However, if you saw here, you could factor out 7 and 35. So this is our final answer, x plus 5 times 7x plus 4. Now, I might have blew some of your minds off just right now, but I'm just going to check my work so you could show your teacher this new method so you could amaze her and you could get an easy A in her class. So just hold on tight. So just to check our work, we're going to FOIL real quick. X and 7x would give us 7x to the second. 5 and 4 would give us, 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 7x would give us 35x, and x times 4 would give us 4x. So once we have all this, we'll just combine our like terms. 7x to the second power plus 35 and 4 will give us 39x plus 20, and it gives us our same trinomial. So I know that this is our final answer. We are correct. We just blew some minds, and now we deserve to check our Snapchat. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.